Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's G from Happiness and Crafting. So I haven't got very long today, but I wanted to just pop up into my craft room and make something. So I thought I would get my little cubes out and my little dice. Now these are the ones that we had in the Friday freebie. So I thought I would just give them a shake and find something to make. A nice quick make. So let's see what we've got on here. Let's see what we've got. We're going to make a tag in neutral colours and the style will be eclectic, and I'm going to make 3. So there we go, super simple. I will be back. I will go and get some bits and pieces together and then we will start making 3 tags. All right, 2 minutes. Okay, so I have gathered up some bits and pieces. So we are doing a tag eclectic in neutral colours and I'm going to make 3. Now it was a bit difficult actually because I didn't want it to look vintage. So I've got some sort of like bits and pieces here and they're all sort of like in neutral colours. I do have a little bit of sort of like goldy colour here, but I think that still is considered sort of like neutral as well. And I've got some bits of paper, little bits of scrap paper that I can use as well. Now because I'm going to make 3 tags, I have this little pot of tags that I made just out of scrap papers. So I've got these ones in here, so I thought I would use these. Actually, we've got a circle one there in here as well, so I thought I'd make 2 sort of like square ones, but they are sort of like hanging this way, and a little round one. And I've got all these like little bits and pieces to go on there. I also have this. It's a little pot of these like little what they called, I don't know, I just call them like little fairies, and I just think they're lovely. So I wanted to sort of incorporate those. Don't know how yet, but I will see. So let's just pop those there. I've got some of this which was left over from making some of the book paper, not the book paper, but the sort of like leather, faux leather that I was making the other day to make the mini books. So what I'm going to do, I do need a little bit of ink, don't I? Let's get some ink out. So let's just ink around the edges. Let's give ourselves a little base of ink around the edges, because this is sort of like neutral colours are all sort of like browns, aren't they? Browns and beiges. So let's just go around the edges. We will do the 3 together. So it's quite difficult actually, because eclectic to me is sort of like a bit of everything. So you can use sort of like all sorts of things going on. There's no rhyme or reason to anything. So I'm just going to, I don't want them to look too, now where's my glue stick? Let's just stick these on with a little bit of glue. Like this. This is quite nice actually to do because I don't have a huge amount of time today. I just want to do something quick just to make me feel a bit better, like I've done some sort of crafty thing today. And this is fun to do this. So we will have 3 sort of matching tags. I'll pop my glue gun on because I've got a few bigger pieces that I don't think will stick down, or will take a little bit longer to stick down with the Fabri-Tac than I would like. So let's pop these like that. I've got a few beads as well. These look white, but they are a creamy colour, which is quite nice, isn't it? So let's just take a piece of paper and pop a little bit of paper on each one as well. Now let's just ink these little bits around the edge. I think these are going to be quite chunky little tags. Oops. Like this. It was quite fun actually going around my craft room trying to find little bits and pieces that would work. Now that one would go on there. I also have, look, I've got this like pom-pom which I'm loving. Look at these. I think they are really, really cute. I think maybe I will just chop these off. Oops. In the middle. Like this. Oops, look, that one's got cotton all wrapped around it. We don't want that, do we? Let's take 3 of those. Do you think they will go through here? They might, mightn't they? Just a little pom-pom hanging off there. I wonder if I could just sort of like glue that on. Glue that around. Let's see. I would like to put them on there somehow. But I do have some wire as well, which I was going to put beads on for the top. I was sort of thinking about. Let's just stick this down. Let's get a basey bit down first. Let's tuck that underneath there. Like that. This one can, I think, just go over the top. Take you off. Maybe you're a little bit too big. Let's tear that down a little bit. Little bit of glue stick. Pop this on. I think I can take that out just a little bit, I think. Just so it's hiding underneath a bit. Okay, perfect. Now I've got a little bit of like ribbon. I'm going to put some of this on them as well. I would quite like them to sort of match, seeing we have to do 3 of them. Where should we put that? Down there. I'm going to use a little bit of glue gun for this one because it will take a little while. That's going to hang, so what should we do? Should we just put some glue gun everywhere? Hang that down from there, because that's where it's going to hang from. Let's pop this bit down. Like that. And then where should we have this one? I think I'm going to have that there like that. Okay. Stick that on. Oops. Lots of little glue gun stringy bits now. Everywhere. Okay. Right, now I've also got these as well. Which are, if you can see here, this one's broken. It's like plastic underneath. And they're almost like they've been crocheted around. Now I've had these for a very, very long time. One of my very first videos, I did some sort of like dingly danglies with these. I think they were on, what were they on? I think they were on safety pins actually. Now we only need, where do they go? Can't I just stick these on? A little bit of glue, stick that on there, like that. Oh, maybe I'll just pop the pom-pom in the middle of these, let's see. Let's have you over there, like that. Oh, I'm quite liking how these are turning out. Quick little project, look. Isn't it good to do something nice and quick without really thinking about it? Okay, let's stick them on. Oh, I do like those. Oh my gosh, that's the trouble with glue gun. I always end up with all these little strands of glue everywhere. Let's put them that way so I know which way they are going. Look at it, it's stuck everywhere. Now, let's have a bit of lace. Let's have some lace. Let's chop a little bit of lace off on these. Like that. Let's just bend that over. Just tuck that in there. Pull that out. A little bit of glue. Should we just tuck that down there to the side? Stretch it and pull it like that. I think I'm going to have this one so it comes up over there like that. Oh, I'd quite like to do a journal cover in this style. I think that would look quite nice, wouldn't it? Shall we have a little bit of this? Look, these have got like little flowers on. Let's just stick some of this on. Like this. Can you see it's got like half a flower on there? Let's put this on here. Put that there. Put that one on there. Ouch. That was hot. And this one, pop in there. Like that. So where should we have these little pom-poms? Quite liking. I might just hang it off actually. Now, can I do this without burning my fingers? Just put that down on there. So it sort of dingle dangles down. Look at that. Where should we pop this one? I think I might actually just pop this one in the little circle. So let's just cut that off. Pop a little bit of glue on there. It's like a little, it's very soft. These are very, very soft. There we go. Oh, look at that. Oh, I do like that one. How much should we have this one? Where should we have this? Should we just have this one? Should we have it hanging this way? Let's just pop a little bit of glue on there. I'm going to just stick it on like that. Lovely. Oh, I do like these. Now, I'm going to get a little bit of wire. Let's get my pliers. Take this off. I'm going to pop a couple of beads on each. Or maybe we'll go with 3 beads. Shall we just do something random? 3 beads and twist them. Like that. Going to chop that off and just pop that over there and twist that round. There we go. That looks nice, doesn't it? Do you think this piece will be long enough to put these on? Oh, I've got glue up my fingernails now. 3 on there. Take that and twist. Just twist that round. And then we will just bend it through there and twist. Oh, I love these. And we don't want that little bit there, do we? Little bit of thread on there. It's quite dark. Oh, I don't think it's going to come off. We will leave it. We will leave it on there. Let's take another little piece of, this is 24 gauge wire that I'm using on there. Now these are pretty eclectic, aren't they? Bit of all sorts on there, but I love them. I think they look really nice. So let's just twist those around, pop that in there. Oops, I'm going to bend that around like that. Look at those. I think that would look nice just stuck on a page actually. I wouldn't mind putting a little word on there. Some sort of little word would be quite nice, wouldn't it? Let's pop those to the side. Do you think we did anything else? A little bit of a flower? Shall we pop a little bit of a flower on there? Yeah, let's make it look. Let's pop a little flower on each one. There we are. Chop those off. And we will just a little bit of glue. And let's just pop you in there. Like that. One can go on there. And this little one, I think I'm going to pop in the little circle there. Like that. Look at that. Okay, I think that actually might be enough on there. I'll pop a little bit more ink just round the edge, because this is sort of neutrals and the brown goes with it, doesn't it? I think they're pretty neutral. Love them. There we go. I think I need something in this little hole here. In this little circle. What can I pop in the little circle? Maybe I will just pop a few of these little beads in there. Should I pop these little beads in there? Let's just... There we go. Just stick these in there like that. Perfect. Love them. Looks like a little face. I need to turn them to the side as they look like little eyes. That's a little bit better. So there we go, guys. Quick and simple, and I love them. I think they are really, really nice, and I think you could probably dingle dangle something from there as well. I wonder if I got some bulb pins here. Got some little bulb pins, look. That would come from there, look. So you could still hang them off. Little tags, lovely little tags, aren't they? I love them. So there we are, nice little play. And that will look a bit like dingly danglies, not tags, but they are tags because they've got a little hole in it. So there we are. There we go. I've satisfied my little crafty bit for me today. So that's our 3 tags: tag, eclectic, neutral, and 3 of them. So there we go, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you're still using yours. It's a nice little practice for you. Just give it a shake, let your imagination go and see what you come up with. But there we go, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. Please stay safe, take care, and I will see you soon. All right, guys, bye bye.